materials remember their shape. If a road with them gets hurt, a little heat can fix it. The surface becomes smooth again. AI could control small heaters. These heaters are in the road. This triggers healing when needed. Sensors in the road are key. They are like the road's nerves. They can be fiber optic wires, or they can be tiny chips. They always check the road's health. They look for strain or wetness. This data goes straight to AI. AI uses it to start repairs. Section 4. Paving the way to progress benefits galore. Self-fixing roads have big benefits. One main benefit is saving money. Old road repair is so costly. It needs workers and machines. Self-fixing roads cut these costs. They fix small issues early. Big, costly problems are stopped. This saves public money well. Less road work is another plus. Roads that fix themselves need less. This means fewer traffic jams. People will have fewer delays. Travel will be much smoother. It will also be more on time. This helps drivers and business. Our travel network gets better. Safety on roads will get better. Potholes can cause bad accidents. They can break cars too. Self-fixing roads stay smooth. This lowers the chance of crashes. Smoother roads are gentle on cars. Cars will need fewer repairs. This saves people more money. These smart roads can be greener. Making road materials uses energy. Many repairs mean more materials. Self-healing roads last much longer. So we make less new material. Some healing ways are green, like using helpful bacteria. This helps fight climate change. Section 5. Navigating the roadblocks, challenges, and the future. Making these roads has hurdles. The first cost can be very high. Special materials cost more now. Sensors also add to the cost. Cities need to invest big sums. This is hard for some places. Showing long-term savings is key. We must prove it is worth it. The tech is still quite new. We need much more research. More testing is also needed. Roads must work in all weather, hot sun or cold ice too. They must last for many years. The healing must stay reliable. We need to ensure they are strong. These systems are quite complex. Managing the AI needs skill. Sensor networks also need care. We need trained people for this. Data safety is a big worry. AI systems gather much road data. We must keep this data safe, protect it from online attacks. But the future is still bright. Self-fixing roads can change travel. Think of a world with no potholes. Roads would always be perfect. This helps new types of travel, like cars that drive themselves. AI roads build smart cities. It is a good path forward.